Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is E.R. Ranjit sir, your maths teacher. Now we will discuss about the removed topics from the syllabus for the session 2020-21. Let's start the video. If you'll see the portion that is the syllabus, then from the real number, that is chapter number 1, the first point, that is Euclid division lemma, is removed. Okay, that means you not need to read this topic. Okay, theorem 1.1, that is Euclid's division lemma, is given, so it is also removed, so don't read this. Exercise 1.1 is also removed, so don't read this because it is related with the Euclid's division lemma, that is algorithm or method. You have to read exercise 1.2. You have to read exercise 1.3 also. You have to read exercise 1.4 also. If we talk about the chapter number 2, that is polynomials, the statement and simple problem on division algorithm for polynomial with the real coefficient is removed. Okay, it means you have to read exercise 2.1. Read this. Exercise 2.2 is also not removed, so you have to read this. Exercise 2.3 is removed, so don't read this. If you will see chapter number 3, that is pair of linear equation in two variables, okay, then only the cross multiplication method has removed. Okay, that means you have to read exercise 3.1. Exercise 3.2 also you have to read. Exercise 3.3 is also you have to read. In exercise 3.4 only two methods are there, elimination method and substitution method. That means you have to read. If you will see exercise 3.5, here is given cross multiplication method and it is removed, so don't read exercise 3.5. You have to read exercise 3.6. If we talk about the quadratic equation, only one point is removed, that is situational problems based on equation reducible to quadratic equation. It means you have to read exercise 4.1. You have to read exercise 4.2 also. But if we talk about exercise 4.3, we have to read all questions apart from the situational problems, and the situational problems are in question number 3. This is situational problem, so don't read this question. Question number 4 also don't read. Question number 8, question number 9 and question number 10, this is also the situational problem, so don't read these questions. Okay, you have to read exercise 4.4 also. Okay, if we talk about chapter number 5, that is arithmetic progression, the some topics are removed, that is application in solving daily life problems based on sum to n numbers. It means you have to read exercise 5.1. You have to read exercise 5.2, but don't read question number 19 and 20. Okay, you have to read exercise 5.3. But you have to leave question number 15, you have to leave question number 16, you have to leave question number 17, you have to leave question number 18 also. and leave the question number 19 and 20 also. If we talk about the chapter number 6, that is triangle, the sum topic has been removed, that is proof of the following theorem are deleted. The ratio of the areas of two similar triangle is equal to the ratio of the square of their corresponding sides. Then in a triangle, if a square on one side is equal to the sum of the square on the other two sides, the angle opposite to the first side is a right angle. And the theorem 6.6 and theorem 6.9, that is the same theorem that is given on the topic, and the theorem related question that is from the exercise 6.5 is also removed. Let's see the questions. You have to read exercise 6.1. You have to read exercise 6.2 also. You have to read exercise 6.3 also. You have to read exercise 6.4 also. Theorem 6.6 has been removed, so don't read this. Theorem 6.9 is also removed, so don't read this. You have to read exercise 6.5. Okay, but don't read those questions which is related with theorem 6.6, okay, and 6.9, okay, because these two theorem has been removed, okay. If we talk about the chapter number 7, that is coordinate geometry, only one topic has been removed, that is area of triangle. That means you have to read exercise 7.1. You have to read exercise 7.2 also. If we talk about exercise 7.3, it has been removed, so don't read this exercise. If we talk about chapter number 8, that is introduction to trigonometry, in introduction to trigonometry, motivate the ratios whichever are defined at 0 degree and 90 degree, it has been removed. And the second one is trigonometric identities. The trigonometric ratio of complementary angles has been removed. Let's see the exercises. You have to read exercise 8.1. You have to read exercise 8.2 also. But don't read exercise 8.3, it has been removed. But if we will talk about exercise 8.4, only one question has been removed, that is question number 3. So don't read this question. If we talk about the chapter number 9, okay, that means some application of trigonometry, you have to read all the exercises of this chapter because nothing is deleted from this chapter. This chapter is called height and distance also. If we talk about the chapter number 10, that is a circle, you have to read all the chapter because it has not been deleted from the new session, that is 2020-21. So you have to read all the exercises of circle. If we talk about the chapter number 11, that is constructions, it is removed construction of a triangle similar to a given triangle. Only one topic has been removed, okay. So exercise 11.1 is removed, so don't read this. Exercise 11.2 is important, so you have to read this exercise. If we talk about chapter number 12, that is areas related to circle, okay, only one topic has been removed, that is problem on central angle of 120 degree. It means you have to read exercise 12.1. You have to read exercise 12.2 also. And you have to read exercise 12.3 also. But don't read question number 6. If we talk about chapter number 13, that is surface areas and volumes, then only one topic has been removed, that is frustum of cone. So you have to read exercise 13.1. You have to read exercise 13.2 also. You have to read exercise 13.3 also. If we talk about exercise 13.4, that is related to frustum of cone and it is deleted. Okay, so don't read this exercise. Now let's talk about chapter number 14, that is statistics. Two topics has been removed from this chapter, that is step division method for finding the mean and cumulative frequency graph. That means you have to read exercise 14.1. Exercise 14.2 also you have to read. Exercise 14.3 also you have to read. But you can leave exercise 14.4. It is removed, so don't read this. Let's talk about the chapter number 15, that is probability. In chapter number 15, a probability, no deletion is given, so you have to read all the chapter completely. You have to do the study of probability. Okay, I want to tell you everyone that I will upload the videos of 5 years of board solution also, NCRT book solution also, RD Sharma book solution also, and RS Agarwal book solution also. So please watch my videos regularly and please subscribe the channel. Thank you everyone.